There's Heidi out here on the dock with me. And she is looking out there at the boat. And you can see Karen and Matt and Mary. Ava's on Karen's lap. And there's John out in the water, about to ski. Here he goes. Up and out of the water.